Welcome back to TechnoES. In this video, I am going to show you how you can dual and WhatsApp web with you going to the Microsoft Web Store. What we should do is go to the description of the video because there will be a link to download an application called Winget. Okay, it will take only a few minutes for it to install application. Okay, press Winget. This is installed and you can find packages. Search WhatsApp, go here and the second option about WhatsApp and press installer. This is going to open, have 3 minutes approximately. In 10 seconds you can get WhatsApp application here and execute. It's very quick and simple, guys. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget